Seniors, eat this before bed to rebuild muscle while you sleep. If you're over 60 and feeling your muscles slowly fade, this message is for you. Many seniors believe that weak legs, fatigue, and loss of strength are just part of aging. But what if they're not? The truth is, muscle loss after 60, also known as sarcopenia, affects millions of older adults, and it often begins silently at night. In this video, you'll discover a simple nighttime habit that can help seniors rebuild muscle naturally while they sleep with just one common food. This is one of the most underrated senior health tips, and if you add it to your bedtime routine, it can improve your mobility, support your circulation, and help you regain strength even after 65. So stay with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly what to eat before bed to help your body repair and restore itself overnight. One simple way to improve circulation while you sleep. Improving circulation at night might seem like a small thing, but for seniors over 60, it can make a huge difference. When blood flows freely while you're resting, it carries oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, and that's exactly what they need to recover and grow stronger. If you've been waking up with stiffness or pain in your legs, this could be your body telling you it's not getting enough nighttime support. The good news? You don't need fancy equipment or medications. Just one small habit can get your blood moving better while you sleep. Start by elevating your legs slightly when you go to bed. This simple trick helps gravity do its job in reverse, encouraging blood to flow back up from your feet and legs toward your heart. Use a wedge pillow or even just a folded blanket under your calves. The result? Less swelling, less pressure in your veins, and more oxygen reaching your leg muscles. It's a bedtime shift that feels strange at first, but many seniors report waking up feeling lighter, steadier, and more energized. Another powerful tip is to stay warm, especially your feet. Cold feet at night don't just feel uncomfortable, they actually slow down your circulation. Slip on a pair of loose, breathable socks before bed. Keeping your extremities warm signals your blood vessels to relax, which improves overall blood flow. This is especially helpful for seniors dealing with poor circulation or neuropathy after 60. It's a gentle but effective way to nourish aging muscles all night long. A few minutes of light movement before bed can also get the blood flowing. Think of slow ankle circles, stretching your calves, or walking gently around the house. These small actions help wake up your blood vessels and signal your body that it's time to deliver nutrients to your legs. Don't overdo it. This isn't about exercise. It's about gently preparing your body for overnight recovery. Many seniors notice better sleep quality and fewer cramps just from this simple routine. Hydration plays a quiet but powerful role here too. Drinking a small glass of water about 30 to 60 minutes before bed can help keep your blood from becoming too thick during the night. Dehydration is sneaky, especially in older adults, and it can reduce circulation without you even realizing it. Don't drink too much to avoid nighttime bathroom trips, but just enough to support your system. Your muscles will thank you for it by morning. Magnesium is another silent hero for circulation and muscle recovery in seniors. A magnesium-rich bedtime supplement or a warm Epsom salt foot soak can relax blood vessels and help prevent spasms or cramps during the night. If you're over 60 and struggling with restless legs or that twitchy feeling as you try to fall asleep, this mineral might be what's missing. It helps promote deeper rest and improves how well your body repairs itself. Try not to cross your legs or sleep in a tight, curled-up position. These habits can accidentally restrict blood flow and cause numbness or tingling in your feet and legs. Lying on your back with legs slightly elevated or on your side with a pillow between your knees allows for smoother circulation. It might take a few nights to adjust, but many older adults report waking up with far fewer issues related to poor circulation. Weighted blankets have become popular for a good reason, and some seniors swear by them for better sleep and comfort, but if they're too heavy, they might actually restrict blood flow in older adults. If you use one, make sure it's a lightweight version designed for seniors so it supports rest without adding pressure to aging muscles or veins. Gentle pressure can help you fall asleep faster, but the wrong kind can reduce recovery. Limiting caffeine in the evening also helps more than most people realize. Caffeine doesn't just mess with sleep, it tightens blood vessels. For seniors trying to rebuild muscle naturally and improve mobility, a calm, steady circulation is essential. If you enjoy a warm drink before bed, switch to herbal tea like chamomile or lemon balm. These promote relaxation and circulation, a win-win for aging muscles. Keep your bedroom slightly cool and well ventilated. Fresh air and a cool environment support better oxygen flow, which boosts your body's ability to repair tissues during sleep. This might sound unrelated to muscle strength, but everything is connected. The quality of your rest directly impacts how your body restores itself, and poor air circulation can sabotage that process, especially for seniors. Lastly, go to bed at the same time each night. A steady bedtime helps regulate your body's natural repair cycle. When your sleep is consistent, your body knows when to start its healing work, including rebuilding the muscle tissue you've lost after 60. Combine this habit with a gentle leg raise, light stretching, and warm socks, and you've got a powerful, low-effort circulation boost ready to go every night. This simple focus on circulation sets the stage for everything else we'll cover in this video, because once your blood is flowing properly while you rest, your muscles can finally start receiving the nutrients they've been missing. And now that your body's ready, let's talk about what to feed it before sleep. Best bedtime food. Number 1, Greek yogurt. What it is and why it works. Greek yogurt might not seem like a muscle-building powerhouse, but for seniors over 60, it's one of the best foods you can eat before bed. It's rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles gradually through the night. Unlike fast proteins that spike and fade, casein stays active in your system for hours, supporting natural muscle recovery while you sleep. If you're trying to rebuild strength after 65, this kind of slow, steady support is exactly what aging muscles need. This type of yogurt is also easy on digestion, which makes it perfect for bedtime. Seniors often deal with slower digestion or sensitive stomachs, and Greek yogurt is gentle enough to avoid discomfort. Just a small bowl, around half a cup, gives your body high-quality protein without feeling too heavy. It's especially helpful if you've had a light dinner or missed a meal, since it fills nutritional gaps and helps prevent muscle breakdown overnight. On top of protein, Greek yogurt is full of calcium, which supports both bone strength and proper muscle contractions. That means it's doing double duty, helping your muscles rebuild and your bones stay solid. Many seniors face muscle loss and weakening bones at the same time, and this food quietly supports both without needing supplements or complicated plans. It's a simple, effective step in your bedtime routine for seniors. Another key benefit, it helps balance blood sugar. Keeping your blood sugar stable at night helps prevent energy crashes, restless sleep, or early waking, all of which affect how your body repairs itself. When blood sugar dips too low, your body may release stress hormones that interrupt your rest. But a bedtime snack like Greek yogurt gives your system enough fuel to stay calm and focused on healing your aging muscles. If you want to take it to the next level, add a few berries on top. Blueberries or raspberries, for example, bring antioxidants and vitamin C, which fight inflammation, another major issue for seniors over 60. Chronic inflammation can slow muscle recovery and contribute to joint pain or stiffness. So combining Greek yogurt with a few colorful fruits makes it not just delicious, but a smart anti-aging combo too. This snack is also great for seniors dealing with weak legs or trouble walking. By supporting nighttime recovery, it directly helps rebuild the strength and balance needed for daily movements, like getting out of a chair, climbing stairs, or standing for longer periods. Over time, consistent bedtime protein like this can help reverse the slow muscle shrinking that often goes unnoticed in older adults. Even better, Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which support gut health. A healthy gut improves nutrient absorption, meaning the vitamins and proteins you eat actually get used by your body. For seniors with digestion issues or nutrient deficiencies, this makes a big difference. It's not just about eating more protein, it's about making sure your body uses it. That's what makes this food a smart, all-in-one bedtime option. Don't worry, if you're not a big fan of plain yogurt, there are ways to make it more enjoyable without losing the benefits. Add a drizzle of honey, a sprinkle of cinnamon, a spoonful of ground flaxseed for extra fiber and omega-3s. These small add-ons keep it senior-friendly and turn your evening snack into a muscle-repairing ritual you'll actually look forward to. Flavor matters, especially when you're building healthy habits. One thing to keep in mind, choose unsweetened or lightly sweetened versions. Many flavored yogurts are packed with sugar, which can cause blood sugar spikes and disrupt your sleep. Read labels and look for simple ingredients. You want something that supports your health, not something that secretly adds stress to your system while you're trying to recover. If dairy doesn't work for you, there are now great plant-based versions of Greek-style yogurt made from almonds or coconuts, often with added protein. These can offer similar benefits. Just make sure to check for protein content, since some versions are more like dessert than nutrition. Seniors looking to rebuild muscle naturally should always check the label and aim for at least 10 grams of protein per serving. Adding Greek yogurt to your bedtime routine is an easy win. No cooking, no prep, just a spoon and a plan. And when you make it a habit, you give your body the tools it needs to stay strong, stable, and independent, no matter your age. Ready for food number 2? The next one's warm, comforting, and just as powerful for aging muscles. Best bedtime food number 2, warm oatmeal with almond butter. You might think of oatmeal as a breakfast food, but a small bowl at night can work wonders for seniors over 60. Oats are packed with complex carbohydrates that help your body produce serotonin, a calming hormone that supports restful sleep. Better sleep means more efficient muscle recovery, but the real power comes when you add a spoonful of almond butter. Together, they create a perfect mix of slow energy and muscle-friendly fats and protein. Almond butter is rich in healthy fats and magnesium, both essential for calming your nervous system and improving circulation. These nutrients help relax your muscles and blood vessels, reducing tension in your legs and promoting better oxygen flow while you rest. This makes it a great combo for seniors dealing with poor circulation, nighttime cramps, or weak legs. It's tasty, warm, and comforting, and it works with your body, not against it. Unlike sugary snacks, this combination keeps your blood sugar stable throughout the night. That's crucial for older adults trying to recover strength while sleeping. When your blood sugar crashes, your body enters stress mode and healing stops. But complex carbs from oats, combined with healthy fat and protein from almond butter, give your body slow-burning fuel to stay balanced and focused on repair. Another great benefit of oatmeal is that it's easy to digest and gentle on sensitive stomachs. Seniors often struggle with heavy meals at night, which can interrupt sleep or cause discomfort. A small bowl of oatmeal is light enough not to bother your digestion, yet hearty enough to keep your body nourished through the night. You don't need much. Just a few bites can deliver powerful benefits for aging muscle. You can also customize your oatmeal with ingredients that support muscle and joint health. For example, sprinkle in ground flaxseed for omega-3s or add a pinch of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory effects. These little additions can help reduce the pain and stiffness that come with aging muscles. They're easy ways to turn your food into natural medicine without needing a cabinet full of pills. Almond butter also adds a small dose of plant-based protein. While it's not as concentrated as Greek yogurt, it still contributes to the overnight muscle repair process. And because it contains vitamin E, it also supports skin and cell repair, which is important for seniors with slower healing. Every spoonful helps, especially when your body is working harder to stay strong. This bedtime snack also encourages independence. Many older adults struggle with muscle loss after 60, which affects daily tasks like getting dressed or lifting light objects. But by fueling your body before bed, you're helping it rebuild strength while you sleep, making those daily movements feel easier and more stable over time. It's a quiet kind of progress, but it's real. If you have arthritis or joint discomfort, warm oatmeal can also offer soothing comfort. The warmth relaxes your system, while the nutrients go to work supporting joint health. It's a gentle way to end your day, nourishing your body, calming your nerves, and signaling that it's time to rest and heal. Think of it as a muscle-friendly hug in a bowl. Concerned about sugar? You can make oatmeal without any sweetener at all. Try adding cinnamon, a few chopped apples, or crushed walnuts for natural flavor and texture. These ingredients also bring extra nutrients that support senior health, from fiber and antioxidants to omega-3s. The goal isn't just comfort, it's function. Every ingredient should help your body do its job better while you sleep. If preparing oatmeal sounds like too much effort late at night, you can make it ahead of time. Overnight oats are easy to prep in a jar. Just oats, almond milk, and a spoonful of almond butter. Keep it in the fridge and warm it up when you're ready. Seniors who live alone or have limited energy will find this routine especially helpful. This combo, warm oats and almond butter, is more than just a snack. It's a tool. It supports your aging muscles, calms your mind, and prepares your body for a night of true recovery. And when you wake up feeling stronger, you'll know it's working. Next up, one more powerful food that wraps up your bedtime nutrition plan perfectly. Best bedtime food number 3, chamomile tea with collagen peptides. Chamomile tea is a classic bedtime drink, and for seniors over 60, it's more than just a calming ritual. This gentle herbal tea helps relax the nervous system, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. But when you add a scoop of collagen peptides, it transforms into a powerful muscle recovery drink. Collagen is a key structural protein that supports your muscles, joints, and connective tissue, all of which tend to weaken as we age. One of the best things about collagen peptides is how easily they dissolve. You won't taste them, and they don't change the texture of your tea. Just stir them into your chamomile, and you've got a warm, soothing drink that quietly delivers support to your aging muscles while you rest. Seniors looking to rebuild strength after 65 often overlook collagen, but it's essential, especially for those with weak legs or slower healing. Chamomile tea on its own already offers some important benefits for senior health. It reduces inflammation, calms anxiety, and supports digestion. 3 factors that directly affect how well your body repairs at night. When you sleep better and digest nutrients more efficiently, your muscles have a better chance to grow and recover. That's why this tea isn't just relaxing, it's part of your healing toolkit. Collagen also helps with circulation, which, as we discussed earlier, is crucial for overnight recovery. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, and fewer nighttime cramps or that heavy legs feeling in the morning. Combined with the gentle warmth of chamomile, this drink becomes a low-effort, high-impact way to improve muscle repair naturally. You might wonder, why not just take a protein shake? For seniors over 60, lighter options are often more effective, especially at night. A warm drink is easier to digest, less likely to disrupt sleep, and more comforting for the body. Many older adults find that traditional protein powders cause bloating or discomfort. Collagen peptides, in contrast, are clean, gentle, and absorb quickly without upsetting the stomach. This simple combo also supports joint health. If you've been feeling stiff, sore, or less mobile lately, collagen can help your body rebuild the connective tissue that keeps your joints strong and flexible. That means fewer aches when you wake up and more freedom to move comfortably throughout the day. It's a great way to address both muscle and joint issues with one nightly habit. Worried about taste? Don't be. Collagen peptides are flavorless, so they won't change your chamomile tea's mild floral notes. And if you prefer a little variety, you can add a slice of fresh ginger, a dash of cinnamon, or even a bit of lemon for extra flavor and anti-inflammatory benefits. These add-ons keep things interesting while continuing to support circulation and healthy aging. If you're someone who struggles with sleep, waking up multiple times, or having trouble falling asleep, this bedtime drink is especially helpful. Chamomile helps quiet the mind, while collagen gets to work in the body. Together, they help you create a safe, calming routine that encourages deep, healing rest. Seniors over 60 often underestimate the power of routine, but this one can be life-changing. It's also incredibly easy to prepare. No blender, no stove, no mess. Just a kettle, a tea bag, and a spoonful of collagen. For older adults looking for a safe bedtime habit that supports their goals, whether it's preventing muscle loss after 60, improving mobility, or simply feeling stronger, this simple drink checks all the boxes. And it's not just for one night. The real power of this habit shows up over time. After a few weeks of consistent use, many seniors notice more energy in the morning, fewer muscle aches, and better balance. The combination of hydration, relaxation, and deep tissue support creates a perfect foundation for long-term muscle recovery and healthy aging. So as your body winds down, give it what it needs to heal, not just rest. A warm cup of chamomile tea with collagen peptides might seem small, but it's one of the most effective tools in your bedtime routine for seniors. It's comfort, recovery, and strength building all in one cup. So, now you know what to eat and how to sleep to give your aging muscles a real chance to recover. These aren't just small tips. For seniors over 60, they can transform how you walk, how steady you feel, and how confident you are in your own body. These senior health habits support natural muscle recovery, better balance, and improved mobility right from your bedtime routine. Try them tonight. Feel the difference tomorrow. And if this helped you, give it a like and hit subscribe. I'll be here with more simple, science-backed health tips for seniors to keep you strong, independent, and thriving well beyond 65. Because senior wellness isn't about doing more. It's about doing what truly works for you.